for the video I do it. No. There's a, oh, look at this. That's really cool. We'll take that. Oh, hold on, hold on. Huh? Check this out, guys. Look at that. That is freaking cool. Imagine some batteries in there. Look at that. You could sell that. What do you think you'd sell that for?
$2. If it works.
Needs batteries. What else is in there? See anything else? Anything else?
In there, right?
I don't even know how that came about. Reindeers. Ooh, stinky though.
There's Ted.
Yeah, I know.
There's that movie.
There's that fish tank, Ed. You want that?
No. That's too much work.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I bet you something like this would sell on the marketplace. What do you think?
I don't know. More about it than I do.
Oh yeah.
I'll see you later.
20 bucks for that, Ed.
Bye.
Igloo cooler. Okay guys, we'll get that little piece of brass off here. Smooth side facing the back. Probably won't be able to get the other side. So, come on. You guys see it in there? Boom. Nice little piece of brass, guys. See if I can find the other side. Don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, that's in there, guys. Ooh, stinks in there too. That should be good. So, soap I found, guys, in the storage unit, and this I believe I found in the storage unit, and we're going to give this a nice scrub and clean it up, the outside and the inside, and the lid. I got to get a couple of rags. The lid came out fantastic with the scrub brush. So right there, I got it up there to dry. Just a cheap scrub brush like this, you get it at the Dollar Tree, guys. You can clean a lot of stuff with these. So a little bleach and water, boom, maybe some soap. You get stuff nice and clean out. And I'm getting ready to just dump all this out of here. I'm going to go this way because I don't want the dirt and everything in. Okay, now we'll rinse the bottom. I got to wash it. The bottom's got to be washed. Now this is stuffed with foam too. That's good. Not bad, guys. Not too bad. But anyway, it is proof that I do wash things and clean things up for the sellers. The water here is kind of expensive. You know, just to use the water is $25, so to me that's expensive. Just to turn it on is so if I don't use any water every month, it's still going to cost me $25 to use it. So we're going to let this, put this somewhere just so it dries off. Maybe on top of this here. I don't want the wind to blow it though. There we go. You know, it's used, guys, so it's going to have some scrapes in it. You can see there's a couple stains down in here. You got some stainage. What could cause a stain like that though? But hey, it was clean, guys. This is a clean cooler, ready to be used. Nice. That's nice. Put it like that and give it a good wipe to dry our towel. Come on. What's that? What's that? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Woo woo. Yeah. Yeah. It's the woo woo.